Dynamic intro sequence showing fast cuts of the Ray-Ban Meta Gen to glasses from various angles, ending on a hero shot. This is the second generation of Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses, a collaboration that promises to blend iconic style with cutting-edge technology. But is this a true technological evolution, or just a stylish update to an already intriguing concept? We're about to find out. The first thing you'll notice is the design. Meta and Ray-Ban have doubled down on what made the first generation so appealing, offering the new glasses in the classic Wayfarer and a new headliner style. They've managed to pack in more tech while actually making them lighter and more comfortable to wear all day. With over 150 different frame and lens combinations available through Ray-Ban's custom platform, you can truly make them your own. The technology is so well integrated that most people won't even realize you're wearing smart glasses. They just look like a classic pair of Ray-Bans. One of the most significant upgrades is the camera. The new ultra-wide 12-megapixel sensor is a huge leap forward, allowing you to capture photos and videos from your own point of view. But the real game changer is the ability to record video in crisp 1080p, a massive improvement from the previous generation's lower resolution. The quality difference is night and day, making the captured content much more usable for social media or just saving your memories in higher fidelity. The camera's ultra-wide perspective is perfect for capturing more of the scene without having to step back. For content creators, the headline feature is undoubtedly hands-free live streaming. You can now stream directly to your followers on Facebook and Instagram, completely unencumbered. Imagine sharing a live cooking tutorial, a hike, or a concert, all from your first-person perspective without needing to hold a phone. The audio experience has also seen a major overhaul. The new open-ear speakers deliver richer sound with significantly better bass and directional audio that minimizes sound leakage, so your music and calls remain private. Interacting with the glasses is more intuitive than ever. The Hey Meta voice assistant is your gateway to hands-free control. You can make calls, send messages on WhatsApp and Messenger, and of course, tell the glasses to take a photo or start a video. It's surprisingly responsive and useful when your hands are full. For moments when you need to be more discreet, the side of the frame features a responsive touchpad. A simple tap can play or pause music, answer or call or snap a photo without saying a word. Battery life was a key concern with the original, and Meta has addressed it. The glasses themselves now last around 4 to 5 hours with mixed usage, which is a decent improvement for all-day wear. But the real star is the redesigned charging case. It's slimmer, more stylish, and provides up to 4 additional full charges, giving you a total of about 36 hours of use before you need to find a wall outlet. This makes the glasses a much more practical companion for travel or long days out. So, what's the verdict? The advantages are clear. These glasses offer an unparalleled hands-free way to capture your life, wrapped in a stylish and discreet design that no other competitor can match. For content creators, the seamless integration and live streaming are revolutionary. The all-day battery with the case makes them genuinely practical. However, there are downsides. The presence of a face-worn camera will always raise valid social and privacy concerns. You also need a Meta account to use them, which might be a deal-breaker for some. Finally, at a premium price point, they are a significant investment. Ultimately, the Ray-Ban Meta Gen to smart glasses are a major step forward and arguably the first product in this category to feel truly polished. They're an ideal gadget for tech enthusiasts and creators who want to be on the bleeding edge of content capture. However, the cost and the privacy implications are important factors to weigh before you decide to buy in. What do you think? Are these the future of wearable tech or a niche gadget? Let us know your thoughts down in the comments below.